Paano mo malalaman na gumagana ang personal development sa buhay mo? When you can prove to yourself that you can overcome yourself. Totoo. Alam mo, one of the most important things I've realized is this. You need to prove to yourself that you can overcome yourself. Kasi maraming tao, di ba? And maybe ikaw, gusto mong yumaman, gustong magpapaya, gustong magkaroon ng tinatawag na successful business. Gustong magkaroon ng magandang relasyon. Pero, anong nagiging problema? Kapag dumating na yung part na kailangan mo na ng discipline, ng consistency, ng sacrifice at discomfort, maraming tao na ang bumibigay. At kapag bumigay sila, bigla na lang may bagong narrative. Sasabihin kesyo, hindi naman ito para sa akin. O kaya ang sabi, alam mo, may ibang path na mas align pala sa akin. O kaya ang quote-unquote nila, ayoko naman talaga niyan . Don't get me wrong, sometimes, totoo yan, pero sometimes lamang. Kasi madalas, hindi self-awareness ang nangyayari. It's self-protection. Ayaw lang talaga aminin na hindi kayang lampasan ang sarili nilang mga excuses. Because the real battle was never about the market. It's never about the economy. It's never about competition. It's always about you versus you. Ikaw laban sa excuses mo. Ikaw laban sa katamaran mo. Ikaw laban sa takot mo. Ikaw laban sa tendency mong sumuko kapag mahirap na. And every single time na pinipili mong gawing ang mahirap, at every single time na hindi ka sumusuko, every single time na nilalampasan mo yung dating version ng sarili mo, itong good news. You're building something more valuable than success. You're building trust in yourself. At kapag napatunayan mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong lampasan ang sarili mong doubts, fears, and excuses, hindi na masyadong nakakatakot ang buhay. Hindi ba maganda yun? Kasi alam mo, kahit anong mangyari, you can bet on and you can count on yourself. Yan ang tunay na essence ng personal development. Hindi motivational, hindi based on feeling good, but it's about becoming the best version of who you are. Because when that happens, I will guarantee you, it's gonna be more times than ever that you're gonna feel good. Walang bulahan, real life lamang. This is Coach Migs, inspiring possibilities to make your dreams happen.